Hello and welcome to Digital Electronic Circuits Lab. Today I will be showing you how to create a simple circuit design in EasyEDA. So first of all, we have to go to EasyEDA website, search it on Google and be prompted to this website. Then either you can use the online version or you may download it for your PC, Mac or Ubuntu. So it is available offline as well as online. So here I will be showing the online version. So go ahead and click on login. So here I will be signing in using my Google account. You may use any account or you may sign up using your email ID. So now as I have logged in, you can go to the EasyEDA Design Center. So I will be using the standard edition. If you are going to purchase, you can go ahead with the pro edition as well. So if I click on the standard edition, it will open up on the next tab. So here you'll be able to see all the projects that you have built here. So these are the projects that I have made in the past few years. So all these projects are shown here. So in order to create a new project, you have to go to file, new, and click on project. Then you just give a name, say demo project, and then you may add a description. So I will be adding demo project for YouTube and click on save. Then a new project will be created with a schematic. This is the page where we can draw the schematic. Here I need to add the components to this. So I will be showing here a simple circuit using an LED, a resistor, and a header pin to show how it actually works, and then I will be converting that into a PCB as well. So first of all, I just want to add an LED. So here you can go to the common library where you can find most of the commonly used components. But if you want some special components or ICs, that also I am going to show you in a while. So for the moment, I will be adding an LED. Let's say here one LED is there. So just you have to click on this icon and then click on the workspace. You can click anywhere on the workspace and it will be added there. Now you can change the type. So if you click on this arrow, small arrow here, you can change the type. See, by default it is selected 060603 red. So you may change this to any of these. So let's say I want to replace that. So what you're going to do is just click on this and press delete. Now I want to add a through hole 3 mm blue LED. So LED TH stands for through hole, 3 mm, and B stands for blue. So I just click on that and then place it on the workspace. So next I want to add a resistor. That also I want to add the through hole type. So just click on this arrow and then you have to select the type of resistor. So different type, different size of resistors are available. So resistor with 0.4 mm axial resistor I want to add here. By selecting it, I have to place it on the. Then if I wish to add a capacitor, let's say I want to add an electrolytic capacitor to this. So I can add an electrolytic capacitor, just click on this arrow, and again you have the SMD versions as well as the through hole versions. So I can go ahead and use the through hole version. So let's say this one I want to place. Here it is. Now um, I have some basic components. Along with this, I want to add a header. We have the male as well as the female headers as well. So here, first one you can see HDRM. M stands for male header with 2.54 as the spacing between the pins. If I wish to add male header, So I can click here and select the number of header pins that I want to add. So here I will be going with the 2-pin header. So 1 multiplied by 2, that header I have selected. Click and then place it on the board. Now I want to connect these using wires. Now the components are placed randomly, so you may rotate them, you may arrange them according to your need. So in order to rotate that, you just have to click on the component and press the space bar. Once you press, it will rotate through 90-degree. Now I want to connect these using wire, so just go ahead and uh, select the wiring tool here on the top right side corner. You can see the wiring tool. This is the wire, or you may press W to use the wiring tool. You may use your mouse scroll wheel to zoom in and zoom out of the screen. So just click on the terminal and then again click on the other terminal where you want to connect. So this green color shows the connecting wires. Now I will be just go ahead and connect these. Okay, now I want to place this capacitor here inside, but I need to rotate this. Fine. Now I can click on the wiring tool, click the end of the capacitor and then connect it to the wire. Now that the connection is completed, I want to save this by clicking on the save button or using Ctrl S. Then I want to convert this simple circuit into a PCB layout. So for that, you need to go to the design tab and convert schematic to PCB. You can click here, or alternatively you can press Alt P on your key. After clicking, you can see the PCB layout will open up, and here it will be prompted to set the board outline. So here you can say select rectangular, circular, round, rectangular and custom design. So for the timing, let's go ahead with the round rectangular. You may define the start and end points, start at X axis and Y axis points. So here I will be defining the width to be 20 millimeter and height to be 20 millimeter. I want a square type of board with a radius here. The radius is the corner radius, so I will just use it 2.5 millimeter and then click apply. So as you can see, the board layout is already drawn here. Now I want to place these components inside the board, so I will just click on the component and drag it inside the board. So here I have dragged these. Now this process is same. To rotate any component, you have to click the you have to select the component and click on, you have to press the space bar. Okay, so as all the components are placed inside, now I want to give a custom name to this PCB, or you may add a text to this PCB. So let's say you want to add a text, so go ahead and click on the T icon from the PCB tools, and after clicking there, click anywhere on the board layout, and then your text written will be shown here. Now right click anywhere to remove that from the cursor, and then double click on the text. Now you can add whatever text you want. So let's say I want to add a DEC lab to this. So just go ahead and type and then press enter. Now see here the DEC lab, it is shown. You can drag it inside the PCB. So it will be visible on the silk screen when you are going for printing the PCB. So as I have placed all the components inside the board, now I have to route this. So in order to route this, you can go to the route tab and click on auto route. So basically it works pretty well. Now sometimes the routing server may be busy or may not work properly. In that case, you can use a local auto routing server by clicking on this install local auto router. So if you are not using internet for the time being, or internet may not be available, then you can go ahead with the local router, or you may use the cloud router. For this tutorial, I will be using the cloud router, and then click on run. So wait for some time and it will be routed automatically. Failed 0, total via 0. So here I have a PCB which is already routed. Now it is a double-sided PCB. So here both sides are shown. Some are with blue color, some are with a red color. Now if you want to see only the particular layer, then you can go ahead with the layers and objects tab on the right side corner and click on the tabs on the layers which you want to make visible. So let's say I want to make visible only the top layer, so I have to turn off all the other layers. So here you can see whatever is on the top layer, that is only visible. Now I want to show the board outline, so just click on the board outline, it will be visible. Then I want to show only the bottom layer, so see whatever is on the bottom layer, that is visible blue color. Then top silk layer will be this one. Now see here on the DEC lab text that is I have added, it is on the top layer. I want to change this to top silk layer. I don't want that to be a copper, I want that to be the silk layer. So what I'm going to do here is just click on this DEC lab text, and then on the right side here you can see text properties. By going into the layer option, select top silk layer. Now see the color has changed to DEC lab in yellow color, and if I turn off the top silk layer, it is going invisible. So that is the PCB layout. Now you can save it, and then you may go ahead for fabrication. If you want to fabricate the PCB, you have to go to the fabrication tab, and then PCB fabrication file, you have to click on PCB fabrication file or the Gerber files. Once you click there, it will be asking you to check the DRC rules. You can go ahead and click yes, because it is always good to check for the rules, and you can see how it will look like. Different color you can select to order from JLC PCB, or alternatively you may just generate Gerber and it will be downloaded in the as a zip file. Once you open, all the required files will be added to your PC. Now if you wish to see this PCB in 3D, you just have to click on this 3D icon, which is a really amazing feature of this EasyEDA. So once I click there, it will automatically show up in 3D how my PCB will look like. Looks so cool to me that I always check for this 3D view of any PCB that I create. So it is pretty interesting for me to see in the 3D before I go for the printing, because it gives the real look how it will appear to me after ordering the PCB. So that's it for the timing. Obviously there are a lot of other features available on this software, but for the timing I have shown the basic features that you can go ahead and create your own PCB. I will be making another video for the advanced users, where I will be showing you how to add different type of components, those which are not easily available, like different type of 8-pin ICs or microcontrollers, how you can search them, how you can find them. Those features I will be showing in the upcoming videos. So this is the basic tutorial on using EasyEDA. That's all for today. If you like the video, press the like button, and make sure to hit the subscribe button if you're liking the video, and I will be making videos like this in the near future. Thank you all for watching. Have a nice day.